Salam everyone. In today's video, we will see what is a eukaryotic cell, and its components. First of all, what is the word eukaryote mean? It is a Greek word. Eu means well or true, and karyos mean nut or nucleus, so it means having a true nucleus, which is a central distinct area or cavity surrounded by a membrane, and it contains genetic material, in the form of linear chromosomes. Animals, plants, fungi, and protists have eukaryotic cells. So, by definition, a eukaryotic cell is a cell that possesses a clearly defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Other than the membranous nucleus, in a cell's cytoplasm, there are several membrane-bound organelles for different complicated activities of the cell, and every one of them has its specific environment and activity. Cell structure. Eukaryotic cells have these basic components. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth, lysosomes, vacuole, vesicles, peroxisomes, ribosomes, plastids, nucleus, cytoskeleton, cilia, flagella. Let's discuss them one by one briefly. First of all, cell membrane is formed of a phospholipid bilayer with proteins embedded in it, and its function is to separate cells inside from outside, and transfer molecules, water, ions, oxygen, organic, and waste, in and out of the cell. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like material in which all the membrane-bound organelles are present. Mitochondria are double membranous organelle with their very own ribosomes and DNA. They are oval. They are called the powerhouse of the cell because they make ADP by respiration. ADP is the main energy-carrying molecule in a cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is of two types, smooth and rough. Rough is because of associated ribosomes on its surface, and smooth does not possess ribosomes. Its function is to modify proteins and synthesize lipids. Golgi apparatus. Its functions include categorization, labeling, packing, and then distributions of proteins and lipids. Lysosomes. They are often referred to as suicidal bags because they contain hydrolytic enzymes like lipases, proteases, and carbohydrates for the digestion of lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, and also nucleic acids. They maintain acidic pH for enzymes to work. There are vacuoles and vesicles in eukaryotic cells, for the storage and transport of materials. Plant cells have large central vacuoles. Peroxisomes. They are small, round-shaped single-membrane organelles. They digest, or you can say break down amino acids and fatty acids through oxidation reactions. They also cleanse poisons that enter the body. Ribosomes. They are not membrane-bound, and are formed of ribonucleic acid and proteins. They are known as protein factories because they are the major sites for protein synthesis. Plastids. They are double membrane-bound organelles, that are of three types and have pigments, one of them called chloroplast that synthesizes carbohydrates and proteins, others give color and stores macromolecules. Nucleus. It is the main organelle in eukaryotic cells. It has a double membrane called nuclear membrane that is connected to the endoplasmic reticulum, and the inner membrane has pores called nuclear pores. Surrounded by this membrane is a fluid called nucleoplasm containing chromatin and nucleolus. Nucleoli are an active site for ribosomal RNA synthesis, and chromatin contains DNA and histone proteins. DNA is organized in the form of chromosomes. They are linear in shape and are the genetic material of eukaryotic cells. So, the nucleus stores all the information for protein synthesis and cellular functions, reproduction, and development. Cytoskeleton, it is a filamentous network in the cytoplasm of the cell, for mechanical support, shape, and mobility. Cilia and flagella are present for locomotion in some eukaryotes. There are differences in plants and animal cells. Like plants contain a cell wall, plastids, and a large central vacuole that are not present in animals, whereas animals contain centrosomes and lysosomes which plants' cells lack. These were the structures that are present in eukaryotic cells, and I hope this video was helpful for you in getting knowledge about eukaryotic cells.